This is a tutorial on cleaning your data set. I have an abbreviated data set here. But after you have entered all of your data from your surveys, click on Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies. Click every variable over into this variable box and click OK. You need to visually inspect each of these frequency tables to make sure all of the data you have entered is appropriate. You see here, I have a person who's 98 years old. I remember that I did not enter a person who was 98 years old. So I need to go back to the data set, find out who's 98. I see that it's person number 6. I had ID numbers of 1 through 10. Go to the survey for person number 6, and I check the age. And I realize that this person actually was 18 years old. Then I go back to the output and check the next box. This one looks at gender. I have some males and some females and someone who said 6. I know that's not right. So again, I go back to the data set, I look through gender, I find the person who said 6. That's person 9. I go look at that person's survey and I find out that that's actually a 1. So you go back and forth looking at these. Respondent survey number, I have 1 through 10. Race, I have white, Asian, Pacific, Hispanic, and a 9. So I need to go back over to race. I need to find that 9. I look at that person's survey, that's ID number 2. And I find out that this person should have been a 1. Once I believe I've fixed them all, I will click on Analyze, Descriptive Frequencies, OK, to run it again and give it one more visual inspection. Once I'm done, I save this as my name. It will add .spv to the file, and I would like to save it someplace that makes sense to me. Perhaps I have a folder where I'm keeping things for this particular class, for my homework for this class, or something of that nature. That would be a good thing to do. So I go ahead and click Open to save that file. It closes because I was in the process of closing it, and now I'm back at my an.sav file. This is the actual data set. This is the file that you need to email to me. So you can go ahead and close that, save the changes, and then go to your email and email the data set to me.